How to identify gemstones with a glass.
Gemstones are not only beautiful, they are also minerals with specific properties. One important property is hardness, how resistant a stone is to scratching. Scientists measure hardness using something called the Mohs scale. This scale goes from 1, which is very soft like talc, up to 10, which is diamond, the hardest known natural material. Ordinary window glass has a hardness of about 5 to 5.5. That makes it a useful reference. If a gemstone is softer than glass, it will not scratch the glass. If it is harder, it will leave a visible scratch line. Most real gemstones, like quartz, amethyst, and agate, are harder than glass. Softer minerals, such as gypsum, cannot scratch glass at all. In this video, I will show you how different stones behave when we test them against glass. We will try quartz, amethyst, gypsum, and agate. This way, you can see with your own eyes how hardness makes a difference.
Let's start with quartz. Quartz has a hardness of 7 on the Mohs scale. That is harder than glass. So when I press quartz against the glass and move it, it leaves a scratch line. This shows that quartz is a real hard gemstone. Now let's test amethyst. Amethyst is actually a purple variety of quartz. That means it has the same hardness of 7. Just like quartz, when we rub it on glass, it leaves a scratch line. The purple color is different, but the hardness is the same. Next is gypsum. Gypsum is very soft with a hardness of only 2 on the Mohs scale. Since glass is harder than gypsum, when I try to scratch the glass, nothing happens. Instead, the glass can even scratch the gypsum. This shows how weak gypsum is compared to real gemstone. Which one do you think will be stronger, agate or gypsum? Write your guess in the comments before we test them. Finally, let's test agate. Agate is a form of chalcedony, which is also part of the quartz family. That means it also has a hardness of 7. Just like quartz and amethyst, agate easily scratches the glass. This is why agate has been used for jewelry and carving for thousands of years. So, here is what we learned. Quartz, amethyst, and agate are hard enough to scratch glass because they all have a hardness of 7. But gypsum is much softer, so it cannot scratch glass at all. This simple glass test is a quick way to compare hardness and to check if a stone might be a real gemstone. Of course, there are more advanced tests, but this is an easy experiment you can try at home. If you enjoyed this test, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more gemstone experiments. And tell me in the comments, which stone is your favorite?